Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Just putting out this mid-market review today. A lot of things worked as we planned earlier and yesterday. See, this was our analysis for yesterday, where this could be a nice, good resistance zone, and we have this blue trend line yesterday. If you had seen my short video, I did mention that we could take some sort of a rejection here, and we'll have to see if this blue trend line breaks. As of now, currently we are exactly taking support over here. So maybe the next down move will be if we break down this trend line, retest, and come to this zone. And if this gap, the first boundary of the this zone breaks, then we could fill this gap at 880. If not today, maybe tomorrow. But as of now, this trend line is acting as a good support, and this is pretty much what we posted in our group as well. And it was quite obvious, like if you just use the CPR levels for the intraday trading, it was quite obvious that, see, there's a full video on trading based on CPR on my channel, you can check. It was quite obvious that when the previous day high R1 broke, we will be hitting the CPR. That's why this trade was posted, and we have beautifully hit that for now. And the same thing was posted here. See, initially it didn't look like we would get the down move that easily, because there was a lot of put writing at 39,500. But this is what we posted. We could hit 39,490 based on the CPR logic, and that exactly got achieved right now, right? So the next trade is definitely if the CPR breaks. If I check on this chart, the next trade is definitely if the CPR breaks. And if I look at the change in OI, now compared to, see, a lot of call writing also started increasing. Now compared to the other slide over here, where this is 500, right? Sorry, this 600, this is 500, where there was a lot of put writing early in the morning. This was shared at about 10:13. Right now it's about 12:45. And if you see the change, some call writing has also come in. But we have a very strong intraday resistance support point, that is the CPR level. So if the CPR breaks, maybe in Banknifty we could slip some more. And if you see this overall, just on the price action, right, beautifully, though we got a gap up near this resistance zone, the first candle itself indicated there is selling pressure, and then we started slipping on the downside until this trend line. Now the next view is, if we break this trend line, come retest and this level, maybe if not today or tomorrow, let's see. Thanks a lot. Thank you for what? Like, did anything help you, the analysis, or
I have. Again, 1,000 rupees I can. Stop it.
stuff?
4 times. 0,000.
So this is also the importance of using CPR for intraday trading. So let's see how the Nifty did. Nifty, I did see from morning there was some nice selling pressure. See, this was the kind of the zone that we had marked yesterday, and this is the importance of price action also, right? So yesterday in my short video, I'm not sure if how many would have watched that, but yes, this was a good resistance zone. From there we started slipping. Obviously this level is where we were supposed to take support. We have taken that. Now the next short trade is only if this level breaks 70,077. If I'll put on the, see, we are exactly at the CPR level in Nifty also, right? So the next is probably if the CPR breaks, or we could consolidate here. See, the US market and the global markets recovered yesterday. They closed in green, but as of now they're trading flat. So not sure when the European markets open if there will be some reaction in our markets. But definitely the view is on the downside, right? If you see the overall market structure, just give me 1 minute. Let me just get a plain chart. See, if we on the plain chart on the 15-minute, if we just look at the overall market structure, right, how the market moves in a down move or up move is you get an impulsive move, you get some correction, then you get an impulsive move. Probably there's again some correction and one more move according to me is pending on the downside. So we'll have to see if that is going to come today or but as of now a good intraday target according to me is done. So the next target, the next move is if this CPR breaks on the downside along with this trend line. In the link below, there is a link to our learning material. If anybody is interested, they can go ahead and check it out. You have a lot of learning material for a very reasonable price and definitely which will help you in the way you trade. It's in this platform called Tag Mango. So this type of wick is also very important, right? On this, if I show you on this plain chart, so this type of wick is also important, right? From here exactly there was a good buying pressure. So the next down move will come if this we start trading below this wick, right? So we'll have to wait for that. That is where we have the CPI level as well. If the CPI breaks, the next target for me based on the pivots would be this level of the Cambrilla pivot of 39,230. That is if we break the CPR and start trading on the downside. We have got a nice candle, but we need to close strong like this, and you can see this is where, say, immediately after closing below CPR there is some pullback. Let's see if there's any change in the OI. See, beautiful, lot of call writing that increased on 39,500. Still 39,400 is a good support. See, so far we have had a view that from R1 when we reversed will hit CPR, that view achieved, which was pretty good. And now since CPR is broken and this blue this blue trend line is broken, our next intraday target is this 39,240. But the only thing that is not looking good in our favor on the downside is this, until all this open interest is good, the call rating came in, but on the 39,400 the call rating is not increasing so much.
What's the electric bill?
Hmm?
Electric bill is paid?
Yeah. Yeah.
10,000 transferred, huh?
No, only 5,000 euro transfer.
Transfer. He paid upon transfer.
Yeah, I paid.
You can transfer now.
I think only tomorrow you can transfer.
Or
So that's the beauty of this breaking a structure, break of structure, what we refer as a break of structure. And that is where the selling is coming. We could take some halt at this 39,240 mark, where a mark that is also where we have this Camarilla pivot. Beautiful. If somebody had held this morning trade with some trailing stop loss, there have been in pretty big profit. But we don't do that. We don't hold for longer trades as we do scalping in option buying. If this is what we have done today, just some small scalping, and it is good. So this is along with the EMS, how we make use of the EMS for the movement. See, when we started coming down, when this crossover happened, and each time we went closer to the 20 MA, here we went near the 50 MA. Now we have fallen in quite a bit, maybe a pullback again until the 20 MA is possible. Was this some kind of a channel? Not a perfect one. Okay, some call rating is also increasing. So far, we have had a pretty neat day, not a bad day, with just some scalping. And as of now we are again retested 400. So yes, probably we might do some scalping again if we retest this kind of the CPR and get an rejection from the CPR level. But as of now, yeah, our one view which was achieved, that was good. The second view is, since we have broken the CPR, there is a possibility we might come and hit this level of 39,230. It's 1 o'clock and I'll be stopping this video for now. Every day around 12:30 to 1, you will probably see me online from today. I've been trying to do it every other day, but sometimes, yes, it does miss out. I'll be coming online for half an hour just to give the overall market review, and all my trade plan will be posted here during the market hours. Thank you.